Oh, they're taking off. Excuse me. You folks are public officials, right? City council members? No? Looks like I seem to recall this gentleman over here being one. Don't even want to speak to us. You guys catch that YouTube video? Cops arrest man for backing away? They definitely don't want to talk to us. I seem to recall the skinny gentleman in the front on the left being a public official. I might be mistaken. Let's follow him though, just in case. Ooh, that's nice. He's got auto start up on the button. You see him scramble when I walked up? They gotta be city officials. DB Mac. Oh, that's the city of Merced pen. He's a liar. Say hi to YouTube.